Hello! So I thought we'd do something a little bit different. We've been doing mostly eye looks recently, and I thought a lip tutorial might be helpful. Now I will do two kinds today. I will do a liquid lip, which traditionally is more difficult, and then I will do a cream lip. Now both can be a bit of a challenge if you're new to filling in completely. I like to do mine without using a liner. So with those of us with thinner lips, it can be a bit of a challenge. I like to use ones that maintain moisture, so my favorite, the two that I'll be using today, are from Trish McEvoy. This is going to be just the cream lip. This is a lip and cheek color. It's a beauty booster. And this color is raspberry, just so you can see. And then the liquid lip is from CmaaDU. And this one is number 3. So I will do the cream lip first. With this one, so you can see, we're going to do our Cupid's bow first, and then we'll line down here. It's very tempting to go all the way to the outer edge, but if we go all the way to the outer edge, especially with a cream lip, what you're going to have happen, which you'll see right now, is look, it comes right down on my bottom lip, and you won't get a nice clean line. So what we're going to do first, instead of blending like we normally would with a chapstick or a lip gloss, is we will start with our Cupid's bow, and we're just going to go to the inner third. We're going to stop right here. And we're just going to fill here. And then instead of going directly down like this, we're going to pucker. That way we don't get any where it doesn't belong. And pull. Do you see how that makes a difference? Because then it keeps it in where it's supposed to be. Hashtag things that she said. Alright, now we can go ahead and line further, because this will migrate as you do other things. As you're talking, as you're eating. So just gently pull. If you try to push it in, you'll end up with more on your lip than you intend to have. And we're all done. We have a nice, cleanly lined lip, and we don't need any liner. I'm going to clean off here so you can see. Now this one I like because it stays in place without having to reapply very often, and then when you start eating or you start drinking, it will leave a nice lip stain, which is quite pleasant. I'll take it off for the tutorial so you can see. But it does come off. You can see a little bit of the lip stain here. So even if I were wearing this for a couple hours and I were drinking and eating, I would still have a nice solid color on my lips. It's the thing I love about Trish McEvoy is she thinks about these things with the products that she uses, and that pigment will stay. Even if you have to, if you like the feel on your lips, it's still moisturizing, but you don't have to continually reapply if you want the color there. Now we're going to go ahead and use the liquid lip. Now this one, you want to be very careful that you apply in the place you intend it to be, because it's very hard to get off unless you're using a waterproof liquid makeup remover. Again, Cupid's bow. Now with this one, we don't want to pucker. And I like to start with just a little bit under where I intend it to be and fill in later. Same deal. Inner 2/3. And then when you're done, go back and fill that remaining third. And the bottom. From the inside to the outside. That's the trick with the bottom lip. Again, no puckering. Just a gentle push. Nice, even, strong color. It does take practice, as you can tell. It does take practice to do a liquid lip well. And it's okay if you need to try it again. I know there have been times that I've done it and I've had to take it off and do it again. With everything, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching and have a great day.